Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 smart panel control. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Smart Panel Control. The wall-mount 8-inch Android 13 PoE smart home tablet is a versatile control hub for modern homes. The HD touchscreen is bright and responsive, perfect for home assistant control, photo frames, and surveillance monitoring. PoE support ensures stable power and data through one cable, simplifying installation. Smooth Android performance, wall or desktop mounting options, and smart home integration make it an excellent choice for centralized home automation. Build quality feels solid and reliable for daily use indoors anywhere. Number 2. Smart Panel Control. The original Aqara Smart Scene Panel Switch S1 is a sleek and powerful smart home controller. Its vibrant IPS color touchscreen makes managing lights, scenes, and devices intuitive and stylish. With Zigbee 3.0 support, it ensures fast, stable connectivity across your smart ecosystem. Seamless integration with the Aqara app, Apple HomeKit, and Siri voice control adds hands-free convenience. Premium build quality and smooth performance make it a smart upgrade for modern homes. Number 3. Smart Panel Control. The Sonoff Spanel Pro 12086 Smart Home Control Panel is a sleek all-in-one touchscreen hub that centralizes your smart devices with a built-in Zigbee 3.0 gateway and broad voice control via Alexa, Google Assistant, and Matter support. It's great for managing lights, sensors, scenes, and cameras from a single panel or app with customizable security modes. Some users note occasional connectivity hiccups with Zigbee. Overall, it's a powerful smart home command center for Ulink ecosystems. Number 4. Smart Panel Control. The Taya Wi-Fi Smart Touchscreen Center Control Panel is a powerful all-in-one solution for smart homes, featuring a responsive touch display, built-in Alexa voice control, Zigbee gateway, IR control, Bluetooth, and audio wall amplifier. It centralizes device management with ease. It supports seamless control of lights, appliances, and scenes from one panel. Ideal for modern homes, it offers convenience, clean wall-mounted design, and smooth integration with the Taya ecosystem. Number 5. Smart Panel Control. The Shelly Wall Display XL Smart Home Control Panel offers a powerful and elegant way to manage your smart home. Its large 10.1-inch touch display provides clear, intuitive control over Shelly devices, while the built-in relay enables direct switching without extra hardware. 4 physical buttons add quick manual control. With a sleek wall-mounted design and smooth performance, it's ideal for centralized modern smart home management. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.